Hey, where's the trailer?
Hey guys, welcome back to Tech World, and today I'm going to be doing a review of a phone, Realme 9i. So basically, Realme 9i is a very good phone, and it was just released on 18th August, which is basically today. And the phone comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate with a 6.60 touchscreen display, offering a resolution of the 1080 to 1400 pixels. It's also powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor with a 4 GB, 6 GB RAM, and also it runs under Android 12 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. It supports proprietary fast charging as well. Now let's enter the cameras and many other details of this phone.
As far as the camera is concerned, the Realme 9i 5G on the rear packs 50 megapixel camera with an f by 1.8 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has single front camera setup for selfies featuring an 8 megapixel sensor with an f by 2.0 aperture.
Okay, the realme 9i G5G runs the realme UI 3.0 is based on Android 12 and packs 64 GB, 128 GB, and will inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD card up to 1240 1024 GB, and with a dedicated slot, the Realme 9i 5G is a dual SIM GSM and GSM mobile that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Realme 9i 5G measures 164.040 into 75.10 into 8.10 in millimeter height into width into thickness, and weighs about 187.00 grams. It was launched in Metallica gold, rocking black, and soulful blue colors.
As of 18th August 2022, the Realme 9i 5G price in India starts at rupees 14,999, which is 15,000 rupees. Let's go to the connectivity and sensors.
Yes, now as we head into the connectivity and sensors of this phone, we get to know that the connectivity options on this phone is a Realme 9i includes Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, GPS Bluetooth version 5.20. Now, its USB Type is C with 3G and 4G, with the support of band for 40 used by some other LTE networks in India, and 5G sensors as well. The sensors include the accelerometer, ambient sensor, and proximity sensor, and the fingerprint sensor. So that's all with today's review.
If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on. Wait, again. If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe, share with friends, relatives, and members who know. That'll be great support for us to make more videos, and that's all. And you have to comment in this video what we have to review, what we have to improve, what are the questions and answers. That'll be what are the questions and answers. We will answer them within 24 hours, and that's all. My name is John.
My name is Nathaniel.
My name is Jonas, and we are Tech Wolves.
Signing off.